All right, biology students, let's dive right into this explainer on the massive mystery of Amazonian freshwater fish. A staggering 15% of all known freshwater fish species on Earth live right here in the Amazon. But here's the catch. Why are the fish in one river completely different from those next door? To solve this, a massive study mapped over 2,000 freshwater species across 97 distinct subbasins. It all comes down to beta diversity. That's how species composition turns over across different geographic locations. The data shows taxonomic diversity is crazy high, but functional trait diversity remains surprisingly low. So the actual species change rapidly between rivers, but their body shapes and ecological roles stay remarkably similar. What drives these massive shifts in species? Well, our first major clue is just plain old distance. The Amazon is absolutely massive. Most small freshwater fish physically cannot travel those distances, which limits their dispersal. Our second clue is what we call ghosts of the past. Think deep historical contingencies and ancient geography. Ancient geological events acted like giant evolutionary roadblocks. They permanently shaped where these fish lineages ended up. Millions of years ago, a giant wetland split the east and west, kicking off independent, localized evolution. Later on, sudden marine flooding acted as a brutal bottleneck, completely wiping out certain freshwater habitats. Now, our third big clue to this mystery is environmental filtering through highly specific water chemistry. Distinct water types, white, clear, and black, act as intense filters that determine exactly who survives where. These chemical differences literally act like invisible walls, physically blocking certain fish from spreading across the basin. So, dispersal limits, ancient history, and water chemistry totally explain why these fish assemblages differ so wildly. But understanding this biogeography isn't just about the past. It's an absolute game changer for future conservation planning. The Amazon is facing severe, rising threats today from dams, rapid deforestation, and a changing climate. Because fish diversity is so hyper-localized, protecting just one single massive area simply isn't going to cut it. Researchers say we desperately need basin-wide conservation strategies that protect multiple, highly distinct subbasins. So, if every river holds its own unique evolutionary puzzle piece, which ones do we save first?